Sir, good evening to all of you. Ravi Srivastava, I want to begin with you, sir. The cleanup action against the drug mafia in Bollywood is underway. Why are certain sections and groups opposing it?
I think that those who are opposing it must be hand in gloves with the people who are doing this job. But the fact is that I concede that it will be the best obituary for Sushant Singh Rajput if the drug mafia, the cartel, is completely demolished in Bollywood at once and for all. But I want to add one thing. The kind of the names which are coming out, that this was a user, I don't think that is going to stick on these people. Ultimately, those who had the drugs in their possession, or it is established that they were peddlers, only those can be brought to book. I have an analogy here. It is a naming other Bollywood stars consuming the drug is just like Imrani Mukherjee in the lockup naming Chidambaram for the INS media case. Because she is in the lockup.
Mr. Ravi Srivastava, you think it's funny? ये क्या बात कर रहे हैं सर आप? किसको कहां से कहां जोड़ दिया आपने?
Absolutely, I am telling you.
Shaina NC of the BJP. No, 1 minute. Mr. Srivastava, now here the others also. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. शांत हो जाइए सर. सुन तो लीजिए रवि श्रीवास्तव जी. सुन लीजिए सर. You made your point. मैं वापस आऊंगा. Shaina wants to make a point. Yes, Shaina.
What is the reference to contact? There is absolutely none. One, you have a hardened criminal act of procuring, consuming, distributing drugs, as we have seen in this case. This case is not about just Sushant Singh Rajput. It is about the larger nexus and consumption of heinous drugs that is corrupting not just our society, but the youth as well. Now, in that, if there have been avenues which were not investigated vis-a-vis Sushant Singh Rajput, obviously the CBI, the NCB and the ED are going to do its job. But the crucial evidence that is being procured from people like Ria and others, and I'm not sitting on judgment to pronounce somebody guilty or innocent, but the Bharatiya Janata Party clearly wants all the public to know in the public domain who are the suppliers, who are the distributors, and they must be brought to task rather than sitting on this assumption that everyone is innocent until proven guilty. Do understand this is an epidemic which we have to fight collectively. Right. There is mental health issues where you have a psychiatrist giving you drugs under prescription. And this is use of
absolutely, and this is something that has been long pending, isn't it, Mr. Chetan Singh? Mr. Srivastava, I'll give you time, sir. Let Chetan Singh make his point. I'll come back to you. Mr. Srivastava.
Hey, Panesh, we need to understand here categorically what Shaina MC is saying out here. It is something, they're just hiding behind Sushant Singh Rajput case. At this given point of time, drug maintenance is one of the biggest problems of our country. And if government wants, nothing can move. They can reach down to these forces and they can ensure that this country is going to be drug-free. So therefore, Shaina NC must need to take, the ownership and accountability. Second most important point.
The onus and accountability lies squarely on everyone. The onus, Chetan Singh, you can't get away very conveniently like this. 1 minute. The onus and accountability lies on everyone. You can't just shift the onus on Shaina NC and the BJP. 1 minute. Mr. Srivastava.
What are these raids in Mumbai and Goa then, sir?
Mr. Srivastava.
One minute.
Yeah, Shaina, let Mr. Srivastava have his say.
1 minute, madam, 1 minute. Narcotic Control Bureau has been operating from Mumbai for last 34 years. Were they waiting only for the untimely death of Sushant Singh Rajput to investigate and find out the drug cartel? What were they doing?
Raviji, you can never see the proactiveness of the BJP.
Here?
No, Mr. Srivastava, are you suggesting that this is vendetta? No, are you suggesting that this is selective action, that this is part of some vendetta against?
This is not a vendetta campaign, and you have an agenda of hating everything that the BJP does. So it's no point arguing with you.
There is another FIR.
But Mr. Srivastav, I think you should appreciate the fact that when Riya Chakrabarti is taking these names, the agency believes that there is a wider ring, which is why the ambit of the probe has been widened. So what's wrong in it? Why are you calling
and
it?
the ambit of the probe.
Why are you calling it a-
is limited to this case, sir?
I will appreciate
You're paying lip service and saying you want
Mr. Ravi Srivastav, you know, when Times Now broke the drug disclosure chat, you said it was speculation. Look what has happened. Riya Chakrabarti is today in jail on the basis of that. So do not trivialize this. When we break something, sir, we have basis to believe. Mr. Ravi Srivastav, we are not into half-baked stuff. Mr. Srivastav,
Ravi ji, Ravi ji, your sympathies are always with the culprit.
Statement of NCB.
I have never heard you say one good word on that investigative
but as a
agency
matter
that
of
have
principle, why are you not welcoming the probe? What's wrong?
You have not even. You have not.
As a matter of principle, you should be open to it. कि हाँ करिए, साफ करिए, wipe out the drugs mafia.
I am okay with
This
that.
is about the
Yeah,
larger picture of
but
wiping
that's
out the
the
drug
real
mafia that exists. and the investigators
Shaina,
have
why
done
are some
yes.
people rattled? Why are some people so rattled?
Well, it's a Pandora's box which is being opened. People like Ravi ji can never see the good side of anything that the Bharatiya Janata Party does or anything that any agency does. He has his sympathies only with victims. This is the drug mafia that exists in the film fraternity and it has...
Sir, the big names will come. Mr. Ravi Srivastav, अब क्या मैं अपने मन से नाम लिख के तो नहीं चला सकता ना सर? बड़े नाम भी आएंगे. अब मैं किसी और का नाम लिख लूं, कल आप बोलेंगे कि ये फेक न्यूज है. So the big names will come. When we have the big names, we'll tell you. But you are not ready to believe the names that we already have. You are saying all this is speculation. So make up your mind.
No, let me caution you also. By this way exposing the name, you are obstructing the investigation. By
How are we obstructing, sir? How?
Yeah,
How are
what
we obstructing?
investigation,
Did the
sir?
Maharashtra Home Minister not
Sir,
obstruct?
has
No.
everyone
When
actively
Maharashtra Home Minister Mr. Deshmukh said that Sushant's case was a case of suicide, it was an open and shut case. तब आपने बोला
Open
था
and closed
that the
case.
Mantri ji is
That time you
obstructing
didn't speak
justice. नहीं बोला था आपने. आप नहीं बोलेंगे. Chetan Singh,
there is no murder charge on Riya Chakrabarti till date.
answer the question I am asking you. That's not an answer,
You
sir.
will
Mr. Ravi
continue
Srivastav,
to
आप सवाल भी खुद ही चुनते हैं, उसका जवाब भी खुद ही देते हैं.
That
तो
you
क्या फायदा
believe
सर?
are the victims.
क्या फायदा? आप
That's
सवाल
not
भी
the
खुद ही
way
बना
law
लेते हैं
works,
अपना,
sir.
या आपको जो जवाब आता है आप उसके हिसाब से क्वेश्चन फ्रेम कर लेते हैं.
To attack this particular government which is there in the system in Maharashtra from few months. Is this the agenda? Or to identify the drug dealers? Look, Bollywood. There is so much of hate towards Bollywood also. This is what that can be visible from China and
No,
NC's
it's
remark
not.
and.
You are seeing the hate. 1 minute, Mr. Chetan Singh, you can see the hate. You can't see the drugs ring. आपको वो दिख रहा है?
Urta Punjab and what not.
There is no hate.
No.
There is no hate.
This is not-
We are not generalizing. There is a belief.
This is about
There is a belief, and these are insiders who are telling us. Riya Chakrabarti has told the NCB, and top sources are telling us that she has said that 80% of B-town actors are into drugs. Now we don't know, which is why we are not naming anyone. The names that we know, we are putting it out. Mr. Srivastav says ये तो speculation है. Shaina, but cleanup से problem क्या है? That's my fundamental question. What is
They
the
have a problem with everything the BJP does. That's the problem. Everything good that the government does, whether it's the central agencies, investigative agencies, anything good that happens, they have an allergy to Narendra Modi ji. That's the problem. If you want to know the reality, this is a drug mafia that is operating.
पर मिस्टर श्रीवास्तव, आपको सीबीआई प्रोब से प्रॉब्लम थी, अब आपको एनसीबी प्रोब से प्रॉब्लम है, अब आप बोलेंगे ईडी भी गलत कर रही है. ये एजेंडा आता कहां से सर? हाउ आर यू लिंकिंग एवरीथिंग टू एन एजेंडा? वेयर इज द एजेंडा? यू टेल मी सर.
मुझे किसी प्रोब से प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. लेट द प्रोब गो ऑन. What I am saying, you don't do a parallel investigation.
We are not into. No, 1 minute, sir. We are only.
India has done the work of the Mumbai police.
Mr. Ravi Srivastav, sir. Even after the Times Now drug disclosure, you are saying this, sir. I mean, come on. Appreciate investigative journalism, sir. Please.
pay
I
respect
will
where it's due.
appreciate
This is
investigative
investigative journalism
so long
at
as
its best.
it
The
does
work
not
that should have
contradict
happened
with
by
the
the Mumbai
parallel
police has
investigation
obviously
going on
not,
by the
and
agency.
that's why we have
You find
resorted
out
to the
something extraordinary,
inputs
you
given by
produce
the
it.
media,
But this
and
is
obviously
this
our
kind of
investigative agencies have done the best.
I can tell you, if the court feels that we are conducting some parallel investigation, it will say so, like it has said in so many cases. You know what I am talking about. So we are not into parallel investigation. Shaina,
They said that media should not do a parallel investigation. Not in one case, several cases they have said it.
May I just
Sir.
rebut? May I just rebut? If he, Raviji, we've heard you. Now, please, anything that the government does, especially the central government or investigative agencies, you have a problem. Anything that Narendra Modi ji does, which is good for the citizens, for the common man, this is unearthing a drug
What
mafia
are you
that has
talking
existed
about?
in Bollywood, which
What
needs
are
to
you
be
talking
cleaned
about?
up.
Tell me.
And this cleanup of
You
the
are talking
system
about
is so
economy.
imperative,
You are talking about
and you have a
corona.
problem with that
You are
too.
talking about China.
You have a problem
What
with the
good he has
media
done, tell me.
raising core
What
questions.
good has he done? Tell
A
me.
death.
What
Tell
Mr.
me, where
Narendra
have
Modi?
you
I am
heard
Narendra Modi.
अरे मिस्टर रवि श्रीवास्तव सर, अब ड्रग्स पे आप चाइना जा रहे हैं, अब ड्रग्स पे आप चाइना जा रहे हैं, ड्रग्स पे चाइना मत जाइए सर, ड्रग्स पे चाइना मत जाइए मिस्टर श्रीवास्तव. Sir, have some faith in our agencies also, please. I know it is difficult. It is difficult to. सुन लीजिए sir, hear me out. All right, I'll have to end this, sir. Thank you. Shaina NC, Ravi Srivastav, Chetan Singh. We've run out of time on this show. Thank all of you once again for joining us. A short break, lots more lined up on Times Now.